What's happening, guys? So it's Andrew here, and I'm about to walk into room 9 here at the Buzz just to see what the latest is, because we are now at the end bar putting up the lockbox and one or two small minor things, but let's just have a look to see how it now looks. So behind me, as you can see there, we've got the kitchen unit, got the microwave, in the cupboards all the plates, the glasses. It's 2 sets of each, kettle, toaster. Here's the little, call it the kitchen breakfast room, where people can sit and they can plug their laptops in, they can eat their breakfast or whatever the case might be. And then over here is the bathroom. Let's go have a look. So there we go, there's the shower, there's the toilet. Now we're very tight on space on this one, so we have to be very clever where and how we put everything in this bathroom. And as you guys may know, the cupboard space is behind me, and there is the room, the mop, the extra blankets and all that. And then behind me here is the double bed, the bedside tables. There we go over there. So, and remember, this used to be the old industrial kitchen. The room where the bathroom is was just a small pantry room, generating 0 income. So I'm super excited for this property to go live, because it will be generating, I would say on average, between probably 9,500 to 12,000 Rand a month extra, which is purely just, I won't say it's all profit, because yes, we do have the cleaning costs and all of that, but it's definitely going to add to our monthly income over here at the Buzz. And behind me, of course, is the aircon unit and the TV, which has got the Netflix. So this is perfect for a business traveler who's just going to come along. They want to stay for a few nights, perhaps they're going to the airport. So this is ideal for someone that just wants to stay for a few nights and then leave. It's a lock up and it's a go. So I'm super excited for this unit to go live.